lesson in a unit on Earth Day and how we can care for Earth's resources. So in today's lesson, we're going to review the things we've already talked about in the last two lessons, the resources that make up Earth, and how people use those resources. Today, we will be talking about ways that we can help the Earth. So we'll begin by reviewing, and then we will work through a PowerPoint on pictures that help the Earth or pictures that hurt the Earth. Students will have to decide with a thumbs up or thumbs down if it's something that helps the Earth or it's something that hurts the Earth. We'll go over the lesson objectives on the board. After that, we will talk about why it's important to take care of Earth's resources, and we will get out the science curriculum big book to look at the page, talking about caring for Earth's resources. We will discuss the picture and the things that people are doing in the picture to care for the Earth. Afterwards, students will do an activity at their tables, within their table groups, to talk about ways that they can help the Earth. They will get a bag of items or pictures, and each student will take a turn to pull something out and talk about what you could do with that item or that picture to help the Earth. So this is a little bit different than what was in my original lesson plan, but I feel like it kind of fits the lesson a little bit better and just fits what we've been talking about a little bit better than what I had planned before. So someone might pull out a scrap of construction paper and they could decide that it could be recycled or it could be reused. So each student will get a turn to talk within their table group. And during that time, I'll walk around and observe. I'll have a checklist to check off to make sure that students are taking turns speaking and using kind and helpful words with each other. They will finish doing that at their table groups, and then they'll come back to the floor and we'll kind of go over some of the items that they had in their bags. After that, we'll turn to the next page in the science curriculum big book that shows more examples of taking care of the Earth and why it's important to do that in order to help plants and animals. After that, I will ask some higher level questioning about I will ask students to think about what would happen if we didn't take care of the Earth. So what would it be like if there was trash on the ground all the time? Would it be smelly? Would they have places to play and things like that? So after we talk about that, then we'll make a chart on the board, just listing some of the ways that we can help the Earth, just reviewing what we've talked about, what they saw in their bags, some of the pictures we've seen. We'll make that chart on the board, and then students will complete a writing page that says, I can care for the Earth. And they will write a complete sentence, I can blank, and they'll fill in the blank with something that we wrote on the board. I can pick up trash, I can turn off the lights. Those are some of the examples they might be able to choose from. So students will choose one thing that they can do and write about it. To finish the lesson, students will come back to the floor and we will talk about some of the things they wrote and if they have any ideas about how they could have their moms and dads or their other family members also help them to help take care of the Earth and what kinds of things they could do at home. So that will be it, and it's a lot to get done in the short amount of time we have, so I'm hoping that we can get finished with it all. So